types of coverage. Car insurance is a type of insurance that provides liability coverage to drivers in the event of a car accident, the vandalism, theft, or other damage. All 50 states in the United States require drivers to carry a car insurance policy, making car insurance one of the most popular types of liability insurance in the country. Even so, car insurance is still very confusing to many drivers, leading to some drivers carrying less insurance coverage than they need or even as required by law. Car insurance provides multiple types of coverage to drivers. The most four common types of coverage include liability, physical damage, personal injury protection, and uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage. Under these four categories are different types of specific coverage that are typically found in most car insurance policies. What types of coverage you choose largely depends on your state's mandatory minimum requirements, how much you are willing to pay each month, what you can afford to pay out of pocket after an accident, and what kind of car you own. Liability coverage. Liability includes two types of coverage: property damage and bodily injury. Property damage liability pays for damages that you cause to someone else's property in an accident. This includes not only another driver's vehicle, but also things like houses, yards, or anything else you accidentally hit. Bodily injury liability pays for injuries that you caused to other people in an accident. This includes your passengers, other drivers, passengers in other cars, and pedestrians. Most states require drivers to carry this coverage. Bodily injury coverage does not protect you or anyone else on your policy. Physical damage coverage. Physical damage also includes two types of coverage: collision and comprehensive. Neither is mandatory in any state. However, if you are financing or leasing your car, the lender or lessor will require you to carry both. Collision coverage is just what it sounds like: coverage that pays for any damages your car sustains in an accident. Collision protects your car when you hit another driver or object, or are hit by another driver. You will have to pay your deductible first, and your insurance company will cover the rest. Comprehensive coverage: any damages your car sustains from any incident other than a collision. This typically includes things like theft, vandalism, fire, or flood. Like collision, comprehensive pays for damages after your deductible is paid up to the car's value. Personal injury protection. Personal injury protection, a PIP, covers injuries sustained by the driver, passengers in the driver's car, the driver's immediate family members living in the same house, and others authorized by the driver to drive the car. Coverage applies regardless of fault, and typically pays for medical and hospital bills arising from the accident. Other types of coverage. There are various additional types of coverage available, including uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage, which covers you in the event you are in an accident caused by another driver who lacks the liability coverage necessary to pay for your damages. Most states require this. Optional basic economic loss, colloquially known as work loss, pays for some of you and your passengers' lost wages after an accident, let alone and lease. Gap insurance pays off the rest of your car loan or lease after an accident or theft. Rental car reimbursement pays for a rental car that you can drive while your car is being repaired. Towing and labor. A roadside assistance reimburses you for the cost of towing your car after an accident.